Hello students, today we are discuss the third types of measures of averages, that is a mode. In mode there is also the third types of series, that is a continuous series. In previous presentations we explained the individuals, how to solve the individual series and discrete series in mode. Now this is a last types of methods of mode, that is a continuous series. This is a basic formula for calculations of mode z. This is a symbol of mode, generally we called as a z, and when you calculate the mean just we have to symbol the x bar. This is we called as a symbol of mean, and this is the mode, and med, this is a med, this is a symbol of median. These are normally using in the statistic symbols. Now the same here is using the z as a for symbol of mode. The formula is a basic, that is a L plus d1 divided by d1 plus d2 into c into c. This is a L plus into c. This is a separate parts from this d1 divided by d1 plus d2 into c, and then in last normally in calculated in the mean, so in last we have to be the added the L. So here's the explanations also given as a what is the L, lower limit of the model clause, and d1, this is the most important, we are normally using as a f1 minus f naught, and d2 f1 minus f2. First is a f1 minus f naught d1 called, and d2 is a f1 minus f2. This is a very simple and easiest equations and formula for calculating the mode. Whatever maybe the you refer the books is a very difficult given z for calculations of the formula in mode. I simplifies this formula. Generally this is a L plus d1 divided by d1 plus d2 into c. So d1 explanations given as a f1 minus f naught, and d2 is a f1 minus f2. So this is a d1 and this is a d2 explanations. Normally this is a L will be the lower limit. Normally we are taken the lower limit, and then the c is the clause intervals differences, whatever may be the 5, 10 or whatever the given in the questions. Now going to explain the questions. When you come to the point of the questions, calculate the mode from the following data, and these are the informations given in the questions. The continuous, this is a two rows as a givens as a 10 0 to 10 up to 90 to 100, from 0 to 10 to 90 to 100, given the frequency 3 5 7 10 12 15 12 6 2 8. These are the informations frequencies given in the questions. Now while calculating the mode, there is no need of any additional columns while preparing the mode. This is a very simple and easiest calculations in the measures of central tendency as compared to the mean, median. The mode is a very easiest problems. This mostly this may be the asking in the 5 marks, and in maybe the 10 marks they are asking the whether calculating of the mean and mode, or mean or median and mode, whatever may be the, and sometimes they are asking the all the three types, mean, median, mode. So these are questions given in the problems 0 to 10 as usual, 0 to 10 to 90 to 100, and this is a frequency 3 5 7 10 12 15 12 6 2 8. Already in previous problems in mode, individual and discrete series, I explained mode is a regular, that is the highest and repeated numbers given in the frequency we called as a mode, or is the highest frequency given in the questions we called as a, that is a mode limit. So based on this concept, when you compare this frequency, the highest frequency comes, yes, that is a 15. So the 15 we called as a, this is a F1, this is a F1, and the before of this frequency we called as a F0, and the below of this is called as a F2. So F1 is normally we taken as a highest frequency in these questions, in the frequency given as a highest frequency, and the same times you have to mark years also, that is a class intervals. The class intervals here also where the highest frequency lies, and the same the equal, that is the corresponding class intervals taken for the calculations of the L. So based on these problems, so 50 taken as a L, 50 taken as a L, L is the lowest limit, this is a L, and D1 is a F1 minus F0, F1 is a 15 and minus F0 is a 12, so 15 minus 12 equal to 3, 15 minus 3, and the next D2 F1 minus F2, here also the same frequency also given, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 is the, these answers also come as a 3, the same answers comes, and the L is a 50, and the class intervals differences is a 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. The differences is a 10. Yes, the examples is given as a 50 to 60, the difference is a 10. So now when you go to the formulas, this is a L plus D1, L plus D1. L is a given as a, L as a given as a 50, and these are, you can add 3 D1, 15 minus 12, and D1 plus D2, both are 3, the answers came 3 plus 3 into class intervals 10. While the calculations, the 50 is a separate, you have to be the calculate in last, you have to be that. First you calculated this part. This is a 3 divided by 3 plus 3 into 10. You calculate this, multiply 3 into 10, 30. This comes as a 30, and divided by 3 plus 3, 6. When you simplify this, while you simplifying, it will comes 6 divided by 30 will come as answers 6 by, automatically it will comes as a 5. So already L is a given as a 50. So 50 plus 5, the total last answers will come as a mode is a 55. So this is the simple and easiest concept while calculating the mode, and the basic, the important things is in the mode is the calculations. While the calculating the mode, we have to be the choose the highest frequency. In sometimes the highest numbers may become, yes, that is the first, and maybe the in the last. So at that time what we have to be done, we have to be calculate in the next two problems how to solve this. Sometimes maybe the come the highest numbers, yes, it will comes as a 15, yes, we know the only will get as a F1, F0 will be the nil will comes when, while the coming in the last, when it will comes at the end of this, it will comes F0 will come and F2 will not be came. So at that time what we have to be done, the in the next two problems I will be the explain. So till this is a basic and easiest concept, and the calculations the mode is a L plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 into C. So L is a given as a, this is a class intervals, we can directly the mentions here, and D1 is a 15 minus 12, this also information is given, and these informations is given here, and the class intervals difference, the class intervals difference is here, the also is the 10. So while calculating the 50 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 3 into 10, so last will come as answer as a 55 will be the last answer. So this is the easiest and simple method of calculating the mode. We'll discuss the next problems based on the some technical point and related to the complicated problems in the next presentations. Thank you.